You decluttered, you created stations for different categories, and you brought all food and delicate items inside. Good for you. Now you just need stuff to put your stuff in. Be strategic about what you purchase though. When I'm organising with a client, I try to bring as few new items into the home, including the garage, as possible. Using what you already have before buying new organising gadgets saves you money and reduces your consumption. Equals love for the planet. Today I'm giving you the 3 top tips to organise your garage. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy with Organise to Excel. Subscribe to our channel for more practical solutions for everyday issues. That being said, here's my guide to organising strategies for the garage. Use that vertical space. When you can't go outward, go upward. Hooks, racks and shelves are all great ways to get items off the floor. Vertical storage saves space and saves you from picking everything up off the floor. Better for your garage and better for your back. If you need help installing organising solutions in your garage, contact a local garage organising installer. If you're in Los Angeles, Gus at Organize It and Jay from Organize Garage Solutions both know their stuff and have been working with professional organisers for years. Both these garage organising companies can help you with sport-specific hooks and bins and other tricky, bulky item storage. And use appropriate containers. So I mentioned before that storing stuff in cardboard boxes is a no-no. Opt for sturdy metal or plastic tubs which offer protection from water and pests. They keep dust off too. Set your shelf heights to accommodate your boxes, or choose your boxes that fit on your shelves, without losing too much vertical space. And label. Label, 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 label. Oh, did I say label? I think it's a good idea to label. But seriously, labeling is one of the best things you can do to keep your whole home organised. Labels involve everyone in the organisation process. There's no reason to ask Mum or Dad where your snorkel is when the swim station in the garage has a big, easy-to-read label on it. When the whole family knows where to find their stuff, they also know where to put it back. It cuts down on unnecessary choices. If your bag lands in a different place every time, not only do you have to decide where it's going to, you have to remember where you put it. Or spend time hunting for it. A hook with blue bag on it simplifies everything. Labels. I hope I've covered the whole garage in this series of videos, but if you have questions about something I said or need help in an area I didn't cover, leave a comment below and I'll get right back to you. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy with Organise to Excel. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our channel for more practical solutions for everyday issues.